Ho, ho. Well, hello there, YouTube. Oh, we're just gonna park. Yeah, we gotta take that off. Hello there, YouTube. We have a special, something special today. We have the Wendy's Minion meal. This bag is so fucking cute. We got a Minions' meal, okay? We got, oh, y'all. I want to know why this is $20. And I got a medium, a double. We got French fries. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And we have a double. Now, we have this. It is banana frosty. And there's something black on top of that. You see that? I hate banana. So, these fries are so good. Mmm. And we got a blue spoon for the banana. Okay. Now, we got a Dr. Pepper. A medium. I guess I had to get it only comes with this. Okay. I had to get a drink. Extra. Okay. The bag is too cute. I gotta do a thumbnail. This burger, I'm gonna throw up with this. Damn. Ooh, okay. It's a big bacon. Okay, Wendy's Minion. I gotta take a thumbnail. Okay. I think that's good. I do want to say before I hop on into this burger, I'm gonna try this. We're gonna get this out the way. Okay. I'm not gonna like it. So I hope y'all like it. And she gave me one napkin, by the way. Only one napkin. So yeah. I have napkins in here from Burger King and McDonald's. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, it's ice cream. Okay. That wasn't bad. That was vanilla. I don't... God. Okay. Frosty, I meant. It's not ice cream. Ew. Oh, God. I just ate. No. Do not like it. Hell no. That's going in the trash. Didn't even want it. I just wanted the Minions meal. We're gonna try this burger. I don't think anything's different from the burger than a regular double with big bacon, whatever. I don't know. This is nasty. Nasty. Look at how yellow that is. Got so much yellow, 10 in it. 5, whatever. This. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Absolutely amazing. Now, yeah, so good. I haven't had a Wendy's burger in a hot minute. So, And there's a sign right over here. With a Minion on that says poop egg on the back. I'll put some B-roll of it in.
Talk about Melanie since here.
Lady is just done at the window, and she's just parked at the end of the drive-thru. Oh, you can't see that. Oh Lord, I need to get tint on my back window. It like fills up your mouth. With all of its juices. So, I wish I had questions or something when I'm on solo mukbangs or with my friends. So yeah, leave some questions for me in the comments. I love reading the comments. I love when y'all do comment. Did y'all see that? We got like onion of Saturn coming out. What is this? Saturn burger. Now, I thought the bun was going to be yellow. It's just a regular bun. I can't get over this banana frosting. It feels sticky. Oh, they finally left. I don't know what their deal was. I kind of just coming apart there, but that was really good, y'all. We got the fries, you know. Wendy's always hit with the fry. So, I wanted to mukbang for y'all today. Do a little solo mukbang. See how that was going. And here we are. Last week that chick, I will say I can't stop. There's a Burger King right across the street. I'm pretty sure the Burger King we went to. And me and Olivia, that chicken sandwich was just so good. It was just so good. I can't stop thinking about it. I've been thinking about it all week. But I didn't want to go to Burger King, so I wanted to get this Minion meal. But I almost forgot about my drink, y'all. Y'all watch me eat that whole burger without taking a drink. One of my specialties. I know it'll probably piss some of y'all off. But I do apologize. I really didn't like this. It's not good. Oh, I don't like banana. Oh, I don't. Like, ain't no homeless people I can give this to. Not around. The day I need a homeless man around this area, ain't not a single one. Oh, Lord. But, I guess it's not good. This, I would rate a 2 out of 10. If you like, not even a negative bajillion. If you like bananas, get this. You're gonna love it. Okay? You're gonna love it. I love me some Wendy's. This bag is so cute. Like, look, they got the Minion in the fry. Look, they just got Minion ass out. I guess they run into monsters. I haven't even watched the trailer. I've only seen Despicable Me. What does that say? Minion monsters. Like, who that? Is that a Wendy's character or something? I love him. And I love him. So they hang out with monsters. I want to see this one. I heard it's supposed to be the best one. I have never seen a Minion movie. I have only seen Despicable Me. 1 and 2, maybe 3. I feel like I've always seen the beginning of Minions. Where they're like, like going through evolution or something. I have no idea. But, yeah. For $20, that was not worth it. If you want a drink, and apparently this is a medium, decent size for a medium. But $20? I just wasted $20. I could have got something good on Uber Eats. And I could have gone to the grocery store and made myself a little meal. $20 is insane. I swear she said $14. And then how is $6 in tax? I mean, $20 for the Minion meal is insane. So just to warn y'all, Minion meal here, but it's $20 if you want a medium drink with your meal. And if you get a double. Which I don't even think the double or the single should matter in the price. But yeah, so, you know, I thought I had a good time still. I still had a good time. It was a good little lunch. A good little lunch. I'm still obsessed with this bag. It is everything. Okay, Wendy's. And a little, not really conspiracy theory, but it don't, okay, you got like an M right here, and O, and then you got another M, which stands for mom. Wendy is your mom. She's your mom that takes care of you, apparently. Okay. Boss. Because she's a Minion now. But I hope y'all had a great time watching this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with a question, something. Tell us what you want me to try. Tell us what you want me and my friends to try. Okay? I'll do more solo videos of the mucks. I liked doing this solo video. So, I hope y'all have a great Sunday. And yeah. Y'all live it up. Bye. I also wanted to add it on in this video now that I'm editing it. I did not get a toy. $20 and I did not get a toy. Bye.